let me clarify what FHIR data is. It's an acronym of fast, healthcare, interoperability, resources. The most important keyword is interoperability, in my opinion, because this FHIR data is meant to use to exchange data, and exchanging medical data is very challenging because I believe you already know about this challenge. Every hospital has their own ERP, EHR system, and you have different data model to store and process the data. I'm not talking about regulation issue. And regulation is another layer. Just think about the technical challenge. This is a good example. So you can see two hospitals, and they want to store patient data in different table schema. Imagine you are Englishman from the UK and you are traveling in Germany and you are sick and you need to go to German doctor, and then you want German doctor to access your history of healthcare data from the UK. Is it possible? Well, legally, people are working on it. This is also the context of EHDS, European Health Data Space, but I will come back to this point later. But technically, let's focus on technical issue here. What you can see, first of all, table name is different. One is called patient, another one is called person. And field name are different. Name on the left side, the hospital on the left side store first and the last name together. And on the other hand, the hospital on the right side, it store first name and the last name in different field. And also the date formats are different. And it's just a small table, but you can think about it. One hospital have like thousands of tables, and then it's almost impossible to enable data exchange between two hospitals. Even in a single hospital, if you have multiple data set, it's very hard. So that's why we need FHIR. You need something between having a common ontology that could map data between two systems. And if you have a proper indication which data means which field, you can understand how to retrieve the data, how to exchange the data, and you can process it properly to your format. As you can see, date format has been processed to the hospital on the right side. So that's the idea of what FHIR is doing. And it's not only for the data exchange, it's also very useful for interoperable data visualization. I mean, this is the overview of data process, ETL data, medical data. And FHIR mapping is just one piece on the fort, but it starts from integrating raw data, and then it harmonize them and clean them, and then you map it to the FHIR structure, and then you can finally do something. For example, visualizing it. You can, of course, visualize data from the third step, from the data warehouse, but the solution, the data visualization solution, cannot be scaled out to other hospitals. When you visualize data based on FHIR structure, it means your solution can be deployed to any hospital where operate FHIR server. So, this is the core point of EHDS as well. The European Health Data Space want to enable researchers to exchange data, plus exchange their service. Data visualization is one of the service. Do something on your data. So make your data and the solution, data solution, interoperable is a key topic these days. And of course, it's a bit complicated. We'll address it and put hands on it later. And the FHIR data says there are a lot of conceptual blocks, and it's called FHIR Resources.
Neugierig? Den kompletten Vortrag finden Sie im Intranet der GMDS. Einfach anmelden und den Menüpunkt Bild und Videomaterial anklicken. Werden Sie Mitglied in der GMDS.